In CISA Domain 4, interfaces are the invisible highways of information. Systems rarely fail alone. They fail through the data exchange between them. Today's scenario reveals how an interface can appear healthy, even while silently corrupting the information it carries. CISA test system interfaces to evaluate whether candidates understand how data flows between systems, where integrity breaks, how mapping, validation, and error handling work, how interfaces can succeed technically but fail functionally, how reconciliation ensures completeness and accuracy, common exam traps, interfaces that run but drop records, unmapped fields, stale reference data, incorrect transformation logic, missing error logs, no reconciliation between source and target, silent truncation, partial data delivery. CISA wants to know if you can spot the difference between data moved and data moved correctly. Today's scenario tests that exact judgment. You're auditing the daily interface between system alpha order management and system beta financial posting. Every day at 2 a.m., alpha sends a file, beta imports it, orders become revenue entries. Operations shows you 90 days of logs, interface processed successfully, no errors, no warnings, all green. But during your sample testing, you notice something unusual. The total number of orders in alpha does not match the total number of entries in beta. Alpha shows 18,932 orders last month. Beta shows 18,104 revenue entries. 828 transactions disappeared. You dig deeper, you discover a new product type was added in alpha. Beta's interface mapping was never updated. Alpha sent the field. Beta ignored it. No error was triggered. The interface marked itself successful. The interface ran perfectly. The data did not. Audit leaders immediately evaluate 1. Field mapping accuracy. Are all fields in the source mapped in the destination? 2. Transformation logic. Are calculations, conversions, and formatting correct? 3. Reconciliation controls. Does someone compare source versus target daily? 4. Error handling and exceptions. Does the interface stop when data is missing or inconsistent? 5. Reference data consistency. Do both systems share the same master data rules? 6. Change management impact. Was the new product type communicated? Was mapping updated? 7. Monitoring coverage. Does monitoring check functional completeness, not just technical completion? Audit leaders know interfaces fail silently when organizations assume successful processing equals accurate processing. CISA uses interface scenarios to test whether you spot missing mappings, incomplete transfers, inaccurate transformations, inconsistent counts, lack of reconciliation, poor exception handling, change management failures. Wrong answers often say, rerun the interface, review only the error logs, increase the frequency of interface jobs, ask IT why the interface skipped records. Correct CISA reasoning focuses on comparing source versus target counts, reviewing mapping documents, validating transformation rules, assessing reconciliation procedures, verifying that changes in one system propagate to the other. Interfaces are where many audit findings start and where CISA finds out whether you can detect silent failures. A strong auditor gathers interface mapping documentation, field-by-field details, transformation rules, source system data versus target system data, counts, totals, missing records, exception logs, errors, rejections, truncations, change management documentation. Was mapping updated for new fields? Reconciliation reports, daily or batch comparisons, user acceptance evidence. Does the business validate completeness? Incident tickets. Has this happened before? This evidence proves processing integrity end to end. Interfaces are trusted until the day they are tested. A system can move data faithfully and still carry the wrong truth. Integrity is not in the interface code, but in the controls that surround it.